From the previous video, we learned how to print out a string. Pero paano kung gusto nating mag-input ng data sa program natin? There's another class called scanner, which is used to read input from the keyboard. This class is from the library util. So in your main class, you add this line of code. Import space java.util.scanner. Import is a keyword used to import classes from libraries or other packages. Scanner is a predefined class, which means ginawa na ito ni Java, gagamitin na lang natin. Ito namang main class natin na Java Project 1, ito yung file na tayo gumawa upon creating our own project. Kaya wag kayong malito. Now, to use the methods inside the class scanner, we need to instantiate an object. Add this into your main class. Scanner space scanner equals new scanner system.in. Again, ang predefined class gaya ng scanner ay may mga methods or functions sa loob nito na pwede natin gamitin sa programs natin. And to access those methods or functions, we need an object. Pwede mong isipin ang object ay parang tulay na nagko-connect sa program mo and sa method in scanner class. Kung walang object, di mo magagamit ang mga capabilities ni scanner class. Pwede ka magpangalan ng kahit ano sa object mo like scanner object or object. Nasa sayo yan. But for this discussion, we'll use scanner with small letter S. Now let's modify a program from the previous video where instead of hard coding the name of the subscribers, let's make it as a user input. So add this line of code into your program. String subscriber name equal to scanner.next line. Next line is a method in scanner class which advances the scanner part past the current line and returns the input that was skipped. It simply means na ito yung method na tumatanggap ng data from the keyboard and translate it into a string. So run your program. Let's input the name Kelly and then press the enter key. Let's delete this line of code here. As you can see, we still have the same result. The difference is may user input na tayo. So this part here is responsible sa pagkuha ng input natin sa keyboard. So scanner is the object while next line is the method. Ito yung sabi ko a while ago na objects acts as bridge sa program natin and sa scanner class para ma-access natin ang method like next line. Let's improve our program and add this line of code to make it more user-friendly. System.out.print, enter your name. And then rerun your program. As you can see, first you'll be prompted with this, and then you enter your name and press enter key. Now you know how to print out, receive input, store, and use data through objects and variables. You will use these concepts all the time. If you have questions and clarifications, please comment it down below. Thank you all for watching. Have a good day.